good, y'all? It's your boy DJ. Been a while. Been a while. But we are here back on the Super Bowl season recap. We beat the Buffalo Bills. They sucked. And now I play Arizona. Here's the roster. We drafted tight end. He's looking pretty good. I like the stats. And we drafted a D-line. Pretty good. Okay, 5 potential. We just 2 actually. We didn't have D-line last year? I gotta check our team last year because I'm confused. Even though we got started off with the black. Okay, so we are the wait see. I'm gonna get this tight end a little something. Let's see what he got. Ricky tight end main. First down, but you know what I'm saying? Okay, I don't think that'd be crazy. Look at that. Victor, wow, snapped the bad angle. What dang it. Blue 16. Ooh, tight end on the route. No, he is. Someone got to catch that 1-1. Yep, tight end. We put that right in the basket. Oh, he's gonna be wide open. Going to the sideline. Victor's not gonna be caught. Wow, I did not mean to do that again. That's the run game going. And we even score Butler. We gotta let that man know he's still on the team. And we care much about him. Do you think it better this year? No. I mean, a bunch of rookies. Okay, arm strength is not get better. But Victor's just, it don't matter what your arm strength is. I'm still gonna burn anybody. And score a touchdown, 1 play, drive. No, got, oh my. Longest pass, that's the longest passing play? Rookie tight end will get hit for a touchdown to save in a career. Look at that. That was a quick pass, by the way. Come on, defense. Okay, field goal. Alright, let's get the run game going, bro. You can't forget about the running back. I would run here, but like, you know, oh my god, the tight end. He's a monster. 28, yeah, he could be good for at least 20 yards a game. Not a game, I mean, play. Butler says, get off, man. I'm still here on the team. Then yeah, I'm trying to snatch that man's ankle. If you went so close to out of bounds, I would have went that side. We get out of the pocket. Look at the speed shown by our second-year QB, Reader. He wants MVP. He didn't win it last year. He won Rookie of the Year. And then Butler is showing y'all what's going on. 16:44 go. Wait, why would that man? What was that? Oh, that's a pick 6. Wow. What was that? No replay. I just didn't expect he would be that wide open. Then, bro, cut the other way. I guess that's on me. Monkey be scrambled. There we go. Snatch triangles. I'm just bullet this son. I'm only passing this drill. I have no time. 3 minutes. Look at the dot. Timeout. Wait, I'm putting on 3 minutes, am I? I never changed it. Oh, I am putting on 3 minutes. This could be a longer episode, actually. What's up, Butler? Come on, Butler, make it. Touchdown. Yes, sir. You should give us our lead back. I forgot we saw the 5-star. Kicker for no reason. Look at that receiver. Boy, what are you doing? What are you doing? What? I can't record a simple video. Yeah, cause you go run, go Butler. Go Butler! First down. Get up. Oh my god, you might be injured. You'll be running slower. He snatched an ankle. I gotta be a wow! Wow, that linebacker actually was in the right place at the right time. But Butler says, I'm still running the ball. That running back was actually in the right place. And that's a dot. Should have been touchdown. Dang, I'm about to run it. Yeah, we're gonna run it. Let's go, Reader! Extra point will be good. They're up by 4. Defense, I'm about to say defense is hopeless, but they just stopped somebody. Maybe we should just run this football. Not sure, but I'm going deep. Deep, come on. Off the burn. Somebody, yeah. Tight end caught that, man. This man is built dip. What is this man on this read for? Ooh. Boy, what are you doing? Walk down the stairs. Yeah, Bo burned him. Touchdown. Wow, you just... Ah, bro, come on, bro. Touchdown. You suck, you suck, you suck. And we're up by 10. 11. 12. Yeah, he gone again. My oh my, what's going on? Bombs away. This time it's Lucas. That's his name on video. Touchdown! Bro, they can't run with us. You can't run with us this season. 17-0, bro. Can't complain. Bomb. Come on now. Weep. Time out. We're scoring again. We're being disrespectful. We're trying to get 50 on these boys. Come on, come back. Bang. Bang. Baloney. Bro, the routes running is crazy right now. The offensive coordinator, man, making some crazy plays right now. Touchdown, let's go! 50 points, here we come. 10 seconds left, 2-point conversion. All we need for 50 points. We're going to throw in the back of the end, though. Cut by a tight end. The rookie, 5-star player. And we will win this game 50-24. We went off in the fourth quarter. I don't know. I gotta go strength. No, gotta be accuracy. I didn't know. Okay. Bro. Yeah, we smoked the Buccaneers. Like, what are y'all doing with your lives? What time? Is there any trash QBs here? Gotta be some trash ones. Actually, if we even do get on the trash QB, who would I be willing to give up? For QB, I'm going to think the situation where our QB ever gets injured. We were in our home, then we were in our rush, because they need to win again. They say they need to rush. That's a clean combo. Oh my god, Butler says, come here. Dang. Bro. Wow, I got sacked. I did not plan on getting sacked. Their pass rush is actually there today. Nick made a touchdown probably for that pass there. Oh, is this a deep game? Like, why are we just throwing it deep? Victor gonna take off this season, bro. He got cut last season by every team he played for, and we signed him. And now he's here. We signed him like with 2 weeks left of the season. And then he just played all the playoff games. Oh, you did actually go. Oh, I couldn't fit that sentence. You got the man with his ankle snatched. Yep, I like it. Second line. Come on, Lucas. He said, give me some spotlight too. Lucas, you ain't supposed to be on the team this year. You're sorry if you're not even that good. But we will keep you. Because it's not about your stats. It's about your stats. No, it's attributes. It's about your stats. Stat line. We actually may blow the Bears out. Yeah. Yeah, they didn't score. I'm pretty sure we can get that in the field. Ooh. Now that I got a timeout stolen from me. I got 2 timeouts stolen from me. Are you literally kidding me? Yeah, that was terrible play call. Not even play calling. Wow, that is actually excellent play calling. What a play. 55-yarder. Should be drilled by a kicker. You almost got robbed. Yes, I probably expect me a blowout. Tight end, I haven't seen him in a little while. Well, not in the game. We're slinging it. Bang. Lucas, we haven't seen that man score a touchdown this whole season. Oh, what a snatch. Oh! Touchdown. Oh. That by 10, let's make it 11. Alright. Why I say Tammy? Was it 20? I don't care, I'm not doing no math right now. Alright. Let's run the ball. Running back, haven't touched it in a while. In a super offense like this, he's gonna need to touch it. Now we're gonna give it to him when we like blowing teams down when you want him to touch. He is not having it today. Man, say I ain't getting the ball the whole time. Now look what I can do. I'm not gonna score 50 because the Bears, they wasted the whole clock. Well, that's why we still win 2 innings. I'm saying offense. God dang, I was gonna say defense. Strength, tackling. Atlanta Hawks. Atlanta Hawks. Oh gosh. What am I talking about? 'Cause I'm an idiot. Boom, boom. I'm not gonna lie, but I'm trying to die like really. Should we have a basketball series on here? Like, what was that? Hoop Legends? I'm gonna download both of them. Boom, boom. Alright. Well, new series gonna come out here. If you don't like it, don't unsubscribe. You ain't hear that. Don't unsubscribe, just subscribe. If you don't like it, tell me. I can change things around. I'm changed man. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Actually, before that, check stats. 1 interception, which was the pick 6. Got sacked once for a pick. How about running for the QB? Touchdown, okay. Butler, he said, give me 5 touches last week. He said, I want 5 touches, but for 112 yards. 1 touchdown. Oh, he won MVP last year. Receiving, we ain't going. Rookie, 2 touches for 24 yards. I told y'all. He probably is good for a good 20 yards, actually. Okay, so first game of the season, we gave him 8 touches. We said, you gonna touch this ball. Victor, this season, 10 touches. We gave him the ball 8. Oh, wait, what the heck were we doing last week? Who got the ball? Yeah, okay, we got the ball to Lucas last week, I was saying. Because both our receivers, because our running back got the ball 5. Victor got the ball 2 times, and a tight end got the ball 2 times. We for the ball 13 times. What word? Kicker touched the ball. Well, we'll catch you on the next one. If you like, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? You know the drill. You know the drill. Bro, I can't swipe up. Yo! Alright, peace.